Hello, darling readers. Welcome to a new chapter of creativity and fun. Today, we embark on a thrilling adventure into the heart of smartphone photography. It's a journey filled with endless possibilities and exciting discoveries. Fear not, for you need not be a tech whiz to master this art. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned photographer, there's always something new to learn. With a dash of curiosity and a pinch of creativity, you'll be snapping stunning shots in no time. The beauty of smartphone photography lies in its simplicity and accessibility. Remember those bulky cameras we used to lug around? Well, bid them farewell. Your smartphone is now your go-to device for capturing memories. Your smartphone is a pocket-sized powerhouse, ready to capture life's precious moments. It's always with you, making it the perfect tool for spontaneous photography. From vibrant landscapes to candid portraits, the possibilities are endless. You can capture the beauty of nature, the joy of a family gathering, or the excitement of a cityscape. So, are you ready to unleash your inner photographer? Let's dive in. There's a whole world waiting to be explored through your lens. Grab your smartphone, adjust your adventurous spirit, and let's get snapping. Experiment with different angles, lighting, and settings to find your unique style. Prepare to be amazed by the hidden potential within your device. Modern smartphones come equipped with powerful cameras and a plethora of features to enhance your photos. This is where the magic happens. And trust me, you'll be saying cheese with confidence in no time. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Get ready for a fantastic journey into the world of smartphone photography. Embrace the adventure and let your creativity shine through every shot you take. Now, my intrepid explorers, let's locate the treasure map to our photographic adventure, the camera app. On Android devices, look for a charming little icon resembling a camera lens. You'll find it nestled amongst your app icons, ready to be unleashed at a moment's notice. For iPhone users, the camera app is equally eager to make your acquaintance. Simply swipe right from the lock screen, and voila! The camera app will magically appear, ready to capture your every whim. Once you've located the camera icon, tap on it to open the app. A whole new world of photographic possibilities will unfold before your very eyes. Don't be intimidated by the array of buttons and options. We'll navigate this new terrain together, step by step, with ease. So take a deep breath, steady your hand, and let the photographic fun begin right now. Camera modes, the spice of our photographic life. Like a well-stocked spice rack, your smartphone camera boasts a variety of modes to add flavor to your shots. Let's uncover their secrets, shall we? First up, we have the trusty photo mode. This is your go-to setting for capturing everyday moments in all their glory. Next, we have video mode, perfect for recording those precious moving memories, from birthday celebrations to your cat's hilarious antics. But wait, there's more. Portrait mode steps in to make your subjects shine. This mode artfully blurs the background, creating a professional-looking portrait that would make even Rembrandt proud. And for those who love to capture sweeping vistas, panorama mode is your new best friend. Simply pan your camera across the scene and watch in awe as it stitches together a breathtaking wide-angle masterpiece. Lights, camera, action, taking your first smartphone photo. Now for the moment you've all been waiting for. Capturing your first masterpiece. This is where the magic happens, where your creativity meets technology. Hold your phone steady, like a seasoned explorer holding a compass. Stability is key to a clear, sharp image. Compose your shot, framing your subject with the care of a master painter. Think about what you want to highlight and what story you want to tell. Remember the rule of thirds, my darlings. This classic guideline helps you create balanced and engaging photos. Imagine your screen divided into 9 equal sections by 2 horizontal and 2 vertical lines. This grid is your secret weapon for perfect composition. Position your subject along these lines or at their intersections to create a visually pleasing composition. This technique draws the viewer's eye naturally to the most important parts of your photo. Once you're happy with your composition, tap the white circle or volume button to release the shutter. Don't rush. Take a moment to ensure everything is just right. Click. You've just captured a moment in time. Each photo is a unique slice of life, frozen forever. Feel the thrill of creation course through your veins. There's nothing quite like the satisfaction of a well-captured image. Experiment with different angles and perspectives. Don't be afraid to move around and see your subject from various viewpoints. Get down low for a bug's eye view or climb to new heights for a bird's eye perspective. Each angle offers a new way to see the world. Remember, the world is your oyster, my photographic adventurers. Every location, every moment holds potential for a great photo. So go out there, explore, and capture the beauty around you. Flash, timer, and filters. Unveiling your camera's secrets. In this section, we will dive deep into the functionalities that can elevate your photography game to the next level. Prepare to unlock your camera's hidden powers. Your smartphone camera is more than just a point-and-shoot device. It's a versatile tool packed with features waiting to be explored. First up, we have the flash, a beacon of light in low-light situations. This feature can be a lifesaver when natural light is scarce, ensuring your photos are well lit and clear. Tap the lightning bolt icon to activate it. It's usually located on the main screen of your camera app, making it easily accessible whenever you need it. Remember, flash works best at close range, so save it for those dimly lit interiors or nighttime adventures. It can help capture details that would otherwise be lost in the shadows. Next, we have the timer, perfect for capturing those group selfies where everyone wants to be in the picture. No more missing out because you're the one holding the camera. Tap the clock icon, select your desired delay, and strike a pose. You can usually choose between a few seconds to give yourself enough time to get into position. The timer will count down the seconds, giving you ample time to perfect your smile. It's a great way to ensure everyone is ready and looking their best. And finally, let's talk filters. These are the secret sauce to making your photos pop. Filters can add a unique touch to your images, making them stand out. These digital magicians can transform your photos in a single tap. Whether you're looking to enhance colors, add a vintage feel, or create a dramatic effect, there's a filter for every mood. From vintage vibes to vibrant hues, experiment with different filters to find your perfect match. Don't be afraid to try something new and see how it changes the look and feel of your photos. Remember, these features are here to enhance your creativity, not to dictate it. Use them as tools to bring your vision to life, not as constraints. Embrace their potential and let your imagination run wild. Your smartphone camera is a powerful ally in your creative journey, so make the most of it and have fun exploring all its capabilities.